There are many neural adaptations to resistance training in the body, but I'm just going to cover two for the purpose of this video. So the two that I have selected are the central nervous system firing rate and the inhibition of the Golgi tendon organ. And so the first one, we have the central nervous system, which sends signals to the motor neuron, which then sends signals to the muscle fibers to contract your muscle. When you are participating in training or you are trained, your central nervous system is going to send more signals for longer duration and a lot more of them. And so that's going to cause more signals to be sent from your motor neuron to your muscle fibers. And so in all, this is going to cause a greater force production. And then the next neural adaptation is the inhibition of the Golgi tendon organ. So your Golgi tendon organs are located on your tendon of your muscle. And so your tendon is what connects your muscle to your bone. And so when your muscle moves, so does your tendon, and so that's going to activate the Golgi tendon organ, and that Golgi tendon organ is going to send a sensory neuron up into your spinal cord, and your central nervous system is going to decide if this movement of your muscle is safe, if it's stretching too much, or if it's going to be continued. And so if it's too much stretching, there could be some injury. The inhibitory neuron in your central nervous system is going to prevent the motor neuron from being sent. And so when there's no motor neuron, there's going to be no contraction and your muscle relaxes. So when you are trained, the inhibitory neurons are going to be less, and so you're going to continue having those contractions. So all in all, when you are more trained, you're going to have more force production because there's going to be less inhibitory neurons.